Hello, my name is Brehon Mills, and I'd like to welcome you back to the channel where not only do we talk about great stocks, but we also talk about great books. Listen, family, I'm back to talk about one of the best performing stocks I've ever had in my life. Actually, it was one of the first stocks I purchased, and I purchased consistently over the past 15 years. And it is none other than MO, M-O, ticker symbol M-O, Altria. One of the things I love about this company is the fact that they have a product that will continue to sell. All right. People love to do certain things in times of enjoyment. Certain adults love to partake in beers. Certain adults love to partake in tobacco products. They love to sit back on the deck and smoke on a nice cigar. All right. Now, these are the things that people love to do. And Altria has been phenomenal at continuing to have majority market share in this industry. All right. Actually, Mo is number one in this industry. Okay. And one of the things that has been awesome about Mo is the fact that it has increased its dividends over the last 10 or 12 years minimum. All right. Now, the current price of the dividend payout is around 6%. And so that number will fluctuate based on the price. Now, as the price continues to increase, that dividend payout may come down. All right. So we're around 51.64 now. The dividend payout will equate to 6.66%. When it was in the 40s, high 40s, the dividend payout was around 7%. But again, this is a company that you could depend on to stand the test of time no matter what market we are in. All right. Now, this is one of those consumer staple stocks. All right. This is a consumer staple. So regardless of how the economy is responding to the market, this is a company that continues to succeed and continues to deliver on its products year in and year out. All right. Now, after everybody is paid, they're still pocketing $1 billion profit every single quarter. It's been that way for the last 15 years. And also, this is one company that I've actually listened to every earnings report over the last 15 years. All right. I've listened to every earnings report. And remember, Altria does have, they do own, I think 35% of Kronos, which is the Canadian cannabis company. All right. So as we all know, cannabis is legal in Canada. I think Mexico is pushing to legalize cannabis, and states across the country are continuing to expand its legalization of cannabis. All right. So again, by Altria owning a company in this space, it will continue to be a staple in the consumer staple sector. All right. Again, it owns 10% of InBev. All right. So let's take a look at the dividends. Now, let's take a look at the last 2 years, going back to 2019. March paid out 80-cent dividend. So every share of Altria that you own, you will receive 80-cent dividend payment. All right. And the last dividend payment was recorded here was December 20th, which paid out in January, 86 cents. I mean, you can't beat that. You can't beat that. 86 cents on a stock that's in a $40 range. That's phenomenal. It's a phenomenal company. This is one of these companies that you should have to help balance out your portfolio. All right. You do want some growth stocks, and you do want some stocks that could weather the storm. All right. Because again, the stock market is a roller coaster. All right. It's a roller coaster. So we should have some diversification. All right. It's very important to diversify. All right. Now, also, let's take a look at the chart here. Now, Altria has been on a nice bullish upward trend dating back to November. From November to March 22nd, Altria has increased over 41%. That's phenomenal. That's phenomenal. I mean, we've had, a lot of people out there investing in the EV sector and all these other sectors that really hasn't had any established revenue. They're just going off of belief and hope. And you have a company like Altria that's been performing consistently throughout this whole time. All right. So this is one of the companies that if you really want to add something established, something stable to your portfolio, Altria is the company for you. All right. Trust me. I know. I love this company. Will always have a position in this company, and I will never sell my Mo. The only goal to my portfolio is to add more Mo. Okay. I will always buy more Mo. Every pay period, a portion of my pay is going to Mo. All right, you can book that. Now, listen, that's all I have for this one. Make sure you do a little bit more research on Mo. If you can get a chance to go back, take a look at some earnings reports, take a look at the 10K, the prospectus, see what they're doing. Phenomenal company, consumer staple. It's going to be here, not going anywhere. Short-term bullish, mid-term bullish, long-term bullish. Awesome company, great value. So if you get a chance, please add this to your watch list. Okay. Now, I hope I give you a little bit of value with this video. And if I did, please hit the like button. Hey, and don't forget to keep coming back for more wealth building information. Peace.